So friends, if you guys facing connected to the Dota 2 game coordinator logging in problem in your Dota 2 game, so guys watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why this problem is coming and what's the solution of this problem. So guys, in this video I am showing the step-by-step solution to fix this problem. So guys watch this video till end and why this problem is coming. So guys watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing this problem in Dota 2 game. Today you are not only one, many people facing this problem in Dota 2 today, as this problem is shown by many people. So this is the server issue and how to fix this problem in Dota 2. So guys, you have to follow these steps for solving Dota 2 problem. First step is open your Steam and second step is go to settings in the top left corner. Third, go to download and navigate to download region. Fourth is select another region and save the settings. 5, restart Steam, and the sixth and last is run the game. So guys, this is the steps to solve this problem in Dota 2, and these steps is not working for you, so guys you have to wait for some hour or some minute because this is the server issue and the Dota 2 game team working on fixing the servers of the Dota 2. So guys, it may take some minute or an hour and this problem is automatically solved by the Dota 2 game team. So guys, you have to wait for some time, and if you guys having any other problem you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.